Hello, welcome back to the channel. Real fast review today of the Sonos Connect amp. I thought I'd do a quick review because I've sold this. It's going to be sold tomorrow. So before it goes, I thought I'd just do a quick review on it. So that's the unit, that's what they look like. I've got it running these monitor audio, the silver speakers. You can run these easily. I mean, I was genuinely shocked with this. It has got a really good sound. It's quite powerful, 55 watts a channel. I mean, it's 200 watts power consumption, so it's got plenty of power. The only thing it doesn't do, you can't stream HD music. So it only does like 16-bit 44.1 kilohertz. But it sounds really good. I mean, like I said, I don't want to get done for copyright, but just turn it up slightly. I mean, I know the camera doesn't pick it up very well, but I'll just quickly flip it around and show you the back. So that's the back of it. It accepts banana plugs. I mean, it's pulled them out now because I've just turned it around. So that's where you got your internet in for your streaming. It streams all the, like, you know, Amazon Music, Tidal, Spotify. And what you can do, you can have, like, if you've only got one internet cable, you can have your internet cable into here, and then you plug the other one in here. You can put that into, like, your Xbox or whatever you want to do. Put it into your TV. It's got two RCA inputs. It's got a subwoofer output, and yeah, I mean, good quality binding posts as well. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, it was just a really quick review if you're thinking about getting one of these. I mean, I've sold mine, say £100 I've sold mine for. And if you're just starting out for £100, you ain't going to get a better sound than a Sonos Connect amp. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time.